Hello people, today we're gonna be playing, um, this game. It's a car game. Okay. It was a normal car game. Me. Bota. Hey, that's getting too risky. Okay, I don't know why that building is on. Well, let's go on the trails. I can't get. Oh no, there's a car. My car. Oh, my car. Broke my car. You broke my car. Bro, my car is broken. I just got this from 1988. Okay. I have a broken car, but I don't know how I'm floating around. Slip back. Gabe. A banana. No, I want a new one. That car sucks. Okay. I got my new car. It's really old. It's old and white. Slip back. Oh, my car. No, my car. Stop. Me car. Stop it. What are you doing? No, what are you doing? Get off my car, mate. Get off. No, I'm telling you. Get off. You son of a... Bro, destroyed my car. Oh, I got a shock. Oh. Hey. Oh, what? Flip back. Yes, I do killed me. I have a little too... Flip back. No. Fire. I will destroy your car. Flip back. Slip back. Oh! That was a close one, fam. I need a tank. How do you get a tank? That's not a tank. How do you get a oh, 30 robot tank? Oh no, that's gonna cost 30. Oh my god. Ugh. I can't. There's nothing I can do. No. Napoleon. Wait, why am I divided? I wish I knew you wanna be. I wish I knew. Okay. I wish I knew you wanna be. I wish I knew you wanna be. I wish I knew. Oh, well, let's get in. On the cover, it was purple. Oh, let's try not to die. Slip back. Oh, crossing the bridge. That's a little too much on the menu. Oh! Ah! Not. Slip back. Ooh, I have out of control range issues. Slip back. It's not really that much damage. I think I didn't break the game. Ooh. No, slip back. Ah. Ooh, hey. Slip back. Oh no, this car is damaged. Mm-hmm. 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 It's been. Mm-hmm. Know what? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It may be on Saturday. Flip back. Ugh. No. It's been so long since last I've seen. I'm not this monster. What? My car. Sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty. Beans. 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 I need those beans. Flip back. Mm. 1980s. Just 1987. Fine as a Fred. Ow. These are so unstable. Donut. Oh. Okay, this game makes me fully stuck. Lost this monster. I'm going over the speed limit. Oh no, I'm gonna cry. Why do you wanna stay by another birdies? So you wanna be, I just don't care. Why do you wanna stay by another bird? Okay, I guess that'll be it, you guys. Yeah, anyways, goodbye, and I see you next time.